I'm very excited. We've known each other for a long, long time, and I've always respected you in the industry as one of Cape Town and South Africa's most respected spa managers. I think with all your awards, you today are a retired spa manager.
Yes, definitely.
And you run your own business, but people still know you as one of the most successful spa managers that built one of Cape Town's most successful spas in the mother city. And you come with such a wealth of knowledge. And what I want to delve into today is something that I think a lot of our smaller spas and salons often don't get right, the importance of understanding your client and knowing your client and caring about your client, and that really is what I want to delve into today. But through your career, wherever you worked, it's well known that you've always been very creative with the way that you've done retail, and you are always happy to share with the way that you do retail sales, and you do it with a caring personality, and it's about how you care for your clients, right?
Yes, definitely, definitely.
Yes. So if we can get to you, Lee, as a person, just tell us a little bit about who is Lee, where do you come from, where did you start your career, and how did you end up in this industry?
Well, I always start my conversations with my interviews that I talk about, saying that I'm a small town girl with big city dreams.
That's a good thing.
Born in East London, grew up in Port Elizabeth, did my studies there. My first job was at Dream Nails. Fell in love with the nail industry as well. I was a beauty therapist at that point, and I decided to do the cruise liners for 4 years. Decided not to take management further, fell in love, came to Cape Town and married my husband. So my first job was actually at Twin Key International. So I was a rep for Matisse, and Art Deco was a makeup range that they used to have. And then I decided, you know what, I'm going to have a break of the beauty industry. I decided to go into fashion. So the difference between fashion product sales, it's exactly the same thing. Just for interest sake to say to you that at this moment in time, the retail has dropped in our businesses at the moment with a quarter, I would say, a quarter to a third of our revenue has disappeared.
50%.
Yeah, that has disappeared. And the therapist feels threatened by the fact that there's so much emphasis not just on services but actually on the retail factor. So my love for retail came from working on cruise ships. There they teach you exactly what it is, how to communicate to your client, and how to find the need. And a lot of times the therapists do make the mistake where they look at the client consultation form. It is filled in. You do the consultation with the client, and at the end it's a no. The fact is that the consultation form was actually just a format. You see cellulite, you tick it, but it's not really your main concern.
Mm.
So the time that you spend with consultation and connecting to your client, your first 7 seconds is the most important part of your retail.
I can see the passion for the clients coming out here.
Yes, so when you walk up to a client, is your hair done? Are you wearing makeup? Are you presentable? Do you smell nice? When you do a massage and you take your shoes off, did you have a pedicure or do you have chipped toenails? Now all of that starts from entering the spa as a journey straight through the execution and the I can say client leaving.
I hear you.
So contact point, you have to love a product. You have to try products. You'll find that some therapists will like the one brand, but then they'll have a hero product of another brand that they will incorporate because they've tested it, they've tried it, they've felt it, they love it. That is sort of me. I can bathe in my beauty products at home. because I'd see something, even if it's not a professional product. Let's say, for example, I don't know if I like to use names, but Nux, how do you
Yes,
pronounce
yeah.
it? Yeah, body oil, phenomenal. It is an I must have item, and every therapist will choose the I must have item, but it's not always applicable to the client.
Okay, all right. Okay, all right. I can hear that there's a lot that you've got to explain to us. We're going to delve into it right after this break, and we look forward to it. Thank you very much.